Hey guys, doing a bike check for my new, it's not new, but new parts that I got at Christmas and stuff I just got yesterday. So let's get started. Colt Vans grips, they're my favorite grips. They're really durable. And Colt Barons, they're good, I guess. Not really. Sabrosa Delicious bars that I just got yesterday. They're an 8.75 rise. They're good. I like them so far. Sunday Freeze top lid stem. I just got that yesterday too. Verde headset, the salt spacer, because I didn't have any others. Colt stacked V2 forks. It says Colt in there. Let me just focus. It says Colt. You only see the LT though. So now, right here, what's up? Let me just do that. A BSD front street hub. The Shadow Orbis rim. Shadow Little Ones peg. WTP Crysis frame. It has the Sabrosa sticker, but it has the WTP symbol right down here. Right there. Right, WTP. Alright, so then Shadow Crow Fat Seat. Shadow seat post. Stolen Team cranks. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Shadow crank and bone sprocket. KMC half link. It says KMC right there. So then in the back I have a Demolition Road hub. Stolen, where is this? It says it somewhere. It's a stolen revolver rim. There, right there. Stolen. And another Shadow Little Ones peg. I only got 3 pegs because I'm not going to learn opposite feebles, only crookeds. And here's my Demolition hub sound. So, and I also have a profile bottom bracket, forgot about that. And that's basically my bike. Look for more videos coming soon, hopefully. I have 2 edits that I'm working on. So, yeah, look out for those. That's it.